Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So in today's session I am going to show you that how can you take trades as per the market situation. Okay, so now you can see here on the left side I am drawing two lines as an area of the buyers. So you can see here this candle broke this level. Now market is again coming down, and right now you can see here market is showing us that the strongness of the sellers, but now buyers are stepping in into the market and we can easily go here with the buyers again. I have taken a trade here in an up direction. Why? The reason behind is very simple, that you can see it was a momentum. This is an exhausted candlestick, and after this area you can see here a seller's entry. So what it is telling to me that from this point you can see a strong buys entered from this point, and therefore the next candle will close here as a bullish, because the minor movement is an upwards movement with a bullish momentum. So now market will definitely close here above my entry point, but because of gap up, as I always say that gap up opening and gap down opening is very much risky, but I can take trades because I know how to take trades, and therefore you can see we won this trade. Now after this candlestick it's time to go with a new trade. Okay, you can see this candle closed here at the level, and I can get here a easy win. Why? You saw here a rejection. Market gave me a rejection here, and I can show you in that 5 seconds. So you will see here a rejection. Now you can see this is a confirmation that at this level now sellers will definitely enter and market will close below these lines or below this line. So you will see here another winning trade. Now you will see the next two candles will go down and we will definitely win this trade. So if we want to take trades like this on the levels, and by taking them with a rejection with a 5-second confirmation, you can see 5-second confirmation shows that this is the confirmation that now sellers are entering into the market. And in this area you can see this level, I have drawn this level I think almost 3 to 4 hours ago, but I know that market will go down, therefore market went down. So 5 seconds is very good for the additional confirmation. We can analyze it by the rejection also, and now you can see I won this trade. Again this candle can go down, but I need to go and start trading with another pair, but you can see market is still trying to go down, and this candle closed exactly at the level again. It means that buyers are very weak here, therefore these sellers are trying to enter, and you can see again sellers entered into the market, and market closed here with a bearish candlestick. So after this you can see here okay, so now you can see here market is telling us that this engulfing candlestick, now again you can see a gap down opening. So at this time I can go here, and I can also get here a bullish candle also in this zone. Let me show you here in between these two zones. Now this is why, because of the gap down opening. So in this situation there is no need to take risk. Now you can see why these things happen in the market, because if you are entering at this area, gap down opening will start from here and it will again close here, and you can get an ATM or OTM. So now at this time with the next candlestick I can easily go here with the buyers. Now if I check that on the left side, I am seeing here a momentum, and on the right side you can see buyers are very strong in strength, so the next candle will go up. You will see. Okay, market will definitely go up. It will not reverse until we get here a weak candle. So you will see here a bullish candle. So now this is the additional confirmation that the next candle will close here as a bullish. Okay, so again market is trying to go up. Okay, again buyers are getting much stronger, very much stronger. Now you can see we won this trade. So after this we can analyze another market here. Okay, so candle closed here at the buyer's area. Let me show you here. This is the buyer's area. Okay, if the candle comes down, I can go here with the bullish side. So I am already late, and you can see again what I told you, a gap down opening. Market opened here, and this was the accurate opening price, but now again you can see here market is getting the opening price from this rejection. So therefore the next candle is going up, and after this candlestick I can easily go here in an up direction. So I have taken a trade here in an up direction. Why? If you analyze the market here, you can see here the market is moving in this range, and now this engulfing candle will work here. Why? Because you can see here at this zone we are seeing here a very strong candlestick, a bullish candlestick. So it means that market will definitely go up until this area, until this level. So we will win this trade also. So let's see. So this will be my last trade. After this I am going to explain the trades, and then I will discontinue my trading session. Okay, let's see and wait. For me it is a bullish candle, undoubtedly. Okay, so you can see I won this fourth trade also. So I took 4 trades here one by one, and I explained each and every one during the trading minute when I took the trade. You can see why I took this trade. It is very much easy to understand. You can see here a bullish momentum, but from this point what I'm seeing here a very strong rejection from the buyer. So because of this the market again went up, and still it is going up like this. So because of this I took my trade, and we won this first trade. So let's talk about the second trade. Okay, so you can see here when I open this chart, you can see already I'm seeing here is seller's entry, and you can see here when I open these lines, I have drawn these lines almost 4 to 5 hours ago, and still it is working, and market closed exactly at the level, and I took my trade here with the 5 second. As I showed you, I saw the rejection here, and then I took my trade in a down direction and I won. I was expecting this candlestick to be closed here as a bearish, but again it closed here because of the gap down opening. You can see again closed here as a bullish, but still we have the opportunity, and we can also take another trade here. So this was a confirmed 2 winning trades. Okay, so you can see our prediction was for this area was a bearish, and you can see here again we saw that market closed here as a bearish. So after this I took the third trade. Now you can see here from this point to this point we are seeing here a momentum. I saw here an engulfing candlestick, but I was waiting to get a confirmation that now after this bullish momentum, after this bearish momentum, can I go here with the bullish momentum? What I saw here then again after this candlestick, because this candlestick closed here and I was waiting for the next candlestick to be closed here as a strong candlestick, so therefore I took my trade here in an up direction and I won this trade also. So after that I took the last trade. You can see here market was moving like this, making new lows, I mean lower lows. So now what it is making, now it is trying to make a higher highs at this area, the first higher high, the second higher high. Okay, but now again from this point market is trying to make a lower low, so it means that this resistance will act here as a, this support will act here as a resistance. You can see market closed here with a weak bullish candlestick, and now you can also expect here the seller's entry also. So this is how we can take trades and we can easily win our trades like this. Analysis are not that much difficult, but by going through from the emotions, from different situations, from continuous losses, we get the losses and we cannot predict the candles easily, but we need to avoid these things always. Okay, so you can see here now at this time what we are seeing. We are seeing here again market is trying to go up and it is trying to continue its journey in an up direction like this, but now again in the middle of the trend you can see a seller's entry. So it is telling us that market is now trying to go down from this zone. So we need to analyze each and everything. So why this candle reversed from this zone? You can easily see that you need to analyze the market always like this. Okay, now what you are seeing here, so you can easily see here a very familiar pattern. You can see here this is a head and shoulder pattern. You can see here, so you need to open your eyes always and you need to go with each and every situation. You will get most of the opportunities like this. So now you can see a very strong candlestick, market can also go up and market is going up. So the things are very much easy and simple, and I am trying to explain you all the things in the easiest manner. So if you have any queries you can ask me on my Telegram, and you can ask me on my YouTube channel. So try to help each other, again I am saying that. So don't hide anything from your group members, try to help each other, and this is the time that you need to help and you need to learn. So if you have any queries you can freely ask from me and from the group members. So kindly join our group on Telegram, Trading Skills. The link is in the description, and you can join and subscribe and comment on our channels, Trading Skills. So kindly share, subscribe and comment. So stay blessed you all. Bye for now. Have a blessed day ahead. Bye.